Going backpacking, first trip of the season. It's like, I don't know, maybe 73, 74 degrees right now. It's supposed to get down into the 40s tonight up here on the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania. So we shall see. I'm sweating. Right now I'm sweating. So, gonna hike to the campsite. Dave's probably waiting for us now. First trip of the season. You guys can come along too. Alright, so I got to camp. It was like, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a mile hike. Not too bad back here. This is Dave's camp right here. This is, Dave's been out here for a few months. Just living on the trail, man. What a life. Love it. So, I'm just setting everything up. I'm gonna get the tent up and get all situated and make some food. It's getting dark now. It's Thursday night. So I wanted to show you guys. This is the new prototype for the Yellow Hawk Customs Outdoors Ankara Knife Company Kukri-ish knife. We haven't named it yet. Okay, so I brought it along with me. It doesn't even have a sheath yet. So I wrapped it up in bubble wrap, put it in the pack, and Dave and I are going to just work the heck out of it for the next 3 or 4 days. It's got a transitional grind, okay? So this part here is a Scandi grind. It goes all the way down into a 0-point bevel, 0 degree bevel, all the way to the apex, and then the belly all the way to the point is a convex, well, saber vex. I'm sorry. What do you call it? Scandi vex. The handles are, I can't remember what he said. They're made by Voodoo Resins, and they're part resin, part hardwood. Can't remember the name of the hardwood, but I picked it out because I liked it. It's got glow-in-the-dark liners, right? So this is just a prototype. It's got a 90-degree spine, so we're gonna just beat it up and see what we can do with it. So this is pretty much the first look at it on camera. It's still hot out here. All right, gotta finish setting up here. Love it. I'm sweating like a dog right now. It's only like 70 degrees here. It's supposed to get down to like in the 60s tonight, upper 50s, and then tomorrow night it's supposed to get down into the 40s. So Yeah, it's like a car headlight. Yeah, that thing's crazy. Uh-oh, look at Kiva. Kiva's got her stick. Oh boy, look at her. She's eating her dessert. Is that your dessert, Keith? Oh man. That's like ambrosia to a dog. She's crazy. Crazy dog. Damn, Dave. Huh? You got like a cathedral here.
Yes, I do.
This is crazy.
You want to see the convertible mode real quick?
Convertible?
Yeah. So when I want to get some airflow.
Ah, you just lift it up.
Well, check it out. It even looks badass.
Oh, I see. You're probably gonna hook it to the tree or something, right?
Yeah.
That's neat. That paracord looks...
This is good stuff, dude.
Nice. Yeah. Ah, check this out. Free ventilation.
Yeah, dude, just open
Free flow. So I see you got smart and you shingled it. It's going downhill and you shingled it,
yeah,
right?
Definitely.
So the water just drops to the next tarp.
But this is like, adds another doorway. It just adds more light in there during the day.
Yeah.
And then if I want, I do the same on that one.
What do you got? Black favorite? Oh, that's your fuel though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That blackberry brandy was good.
Oh, I know. I wish we had some of that.
Where'd you pick up the new tarps?
My friend Craig got them for me.
Cool.
He got me tarps and a bunch of gear, dude. He got me this awesome shirt.
Really?
A sick ass winter jacket.
Uh-huh.
Killer hiker like hunting pants.
Right.
And it's called Limitic, the shirt.
Limitic.
Yeah, it keeps all bugs off you.
Oh,
for
yeah.
70 washes.
Very cool.
All kinds of gear.
I used to have a pair of pants like that I bought at REI. Yeah, they last like 50, 60 washes.
It said 70.
Mine lasted like 10.
I haven't washed it once yet.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
Just don't wash them.
Just don't wash it.
Got a couple turtle shells here. Look at this. Yes, sir, baby. Turtle myrtle. I brought the old... What's the name of this? Clipper?
What is it?
What's the name of my tent?
I don't know.
I can't remember. Big Agnes Copper Spur. No. I can't remember.
Mine's the blacktail.
I can't remember. Yeah, I'll put it up above here. All right, so I'm here. I made it to camp. Yeah. And here's Dave. Get ready to cook some dinner or whatnot. And check this out. Dave has been out here. He's like the quintessential mountain man now. I'm telling you, I'm so proud. I almost shed a tear when I saw this.
This is awesome, dude.
Okay, so he's been foraging while he's been out here eating off the land. And look at all these mushrooms he found. Identify them for us, Dave. And he learned all this himself.
These are honey mushrooms.
Honey mushrooms.
Poisonous raw.
Let's see the top of it.
Poisonous raw.
Okay.
So you have to cook these well
to cook them. Okay.
to eat them.
Right.
Puffballs.
Puffballs. Got to cook all these, right?
Yeah, you got to cook them all. Puffballs, you need to be white all the way through when you cut them in half to eat them.
Okay.
And then over here we got the leather strop.
That's the razor strop. Right
razor
there.
strop,
Yep.
yeah. These ones I don't know the name. It's a type of bolete.
Okay.
These are pale boletes.
Pale bolete.
And these are delicious.
Okay.
These are actually one of the best ones around here.
All right, cool. Looks like
and
you
these
got
are
a
all
bunch of them.
painted boletes.
Painted boletes.
Yeah.
They taste the best?
No, these taste the best. These are the ones that are popping up the most right now.
Oh, okay.
These are everywhere.
So those are the ones we're going to find today.
Yeah.
Try to.
Well, we'll find all these. I found all these today. I just went out this morning and got all these.
Ah, okay.
But these are the ones that are producing the most right now.
All right, cool. Very cool. And here's his hooch. Very nice.
Quick release.
Got his quick release spear. If he wants to, you know, something bothering him, or there's a snake or a dog hunting in the night.
that's a snake spear.
A snake spear. Very cool. Very cool. Good job. Good job. All right. So walking around. Here it is. Here's the chopper.
The chopper.
This knife climbed up the tree all by itself and put itself in that piece of wood. I'm so proud. This is also Joshua Blankenship at Ankara Knife Company. This is the new design that we're going to be offering you guys. It's a bushcraft, kukri-ish, but we're going to be putting that through its paces this weekend. So, really made well. Josh, you did a great job on this, buddy. Transitional grind. It's got a Scandi and then a Scandi Vex for the belly, right? So we'll show you all that when we go to work with it. There's the Boreal 21 saw. I find that one to be probably one of the best takedown saws I've ever used.
Looks nice, dude.
Yeah, it's really...
Can I use it?
Yeah, absolutely. And then you got the Viper Necker. I chose to bring these two out. The Viper Necker right there, and then the Viper EDC. Now the Viper EDCs that he's making now look more like the Necker blade than they do this one. This is a prototype, so we changed it a little bit. Okay? So this one's mine. I always get the prototypes to work with.
I really like the way that one looks, dude.
Yeah, it turned out good. I mean, he did
this
a good job.
This is a different design. This is different, isn't it? Didn't you just say that?
It's those two knives are supposed to look the same.
I've never seen this one unless you changed it.
This here, this one is the Viper EDC, but after he made it, I changed the design back to this.
Okay.
So
I like that a lot.
Yeah, I like them both actually, but turned out good. Josh is a good knife maker. Does a good job. All right.
What is this braided thing on the end here?
What is it?
What is that?
That is something that
Looks like a pun.
Tom Friel makes those for me, and I put them on some of the knives that we offer. You know, Josh will send me the knife right after he makes it. I'll build a sheath for it, and then I send it off to the client, and sometimes I'll put one of them on it. Oh, there's Kiva. Kiva wants to play. Come here, Keeve. Come here, babe. Can I have it? Can I have it? Drop it. Drop it. Good girl. Ready? Ready? Go get that stick. Go get it. Oops. Good girl. Can I have it again? Okay, one more time. Here, come here. Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Drop it. Drop it. Hey. Good girl. Ready? Ready? She's a trip. Hey, come on. All right, Dave's cooking his dinner here. And check this out. These are all mushrooms that he foraged around here.
There's chicken in the woods in here, pale boletes, painted boletes.
Painted bolete. Okay. And then a Noor side with rice.
This is the chicken fried rice.
Look at that. And that's like a mega meal with the mushrooms in it.
And when you start looking at the nutrients in mushrooms, dude, it's awesome. Microbial,
yeah, they don't have many
cancer.
They don't have many calories, but they fill you up. That's for sure.
And I hear they have a lot of protein.
Yeah.
Which is hard to get out here.
Very cool.
So, dude, I'll be out for 5-6 weeks on $40 worth of food.
Just in foraging.
And foraging.
That's cool. Very good. Very good.
No alcohol.
Very good. Well, you can't afford it. Coffee time. If I can find it. The only bad thing about having a food bag is you have to take everything out just to find one thing. Pain in the butt. Need that. don't know what the heck happened to it. It's got to be in here somewhere. Aha! Coffee.
Reese's Pieces.
That's some Reese's bars.
Oh, I know what it is.
I got a whole box of them in the van. Trying to stay away from them though. You know I get in trouble with that stuff.
Cafe Order?
Yeah, this is Starbucks. Little sachets of coffee.
Mm-hmm.
They work pretty good. Oh, you can't use a whole one. It's too strong for a. This is a 16-ounce cup, I believe. All right, get a little bit of this. This is powdered milk. This is powdered whole milk. You have to order it off the internet most of the time because grocery stores won't carry it for some reason. I've never seen one in a grocery store, so I'll order it from some farm up in Vermont. And that gives you nice creamy coffee. Tell you what, Dave, I'm not going to want to go home. I'm going to want to stay out here.
I'm not looking forward to having to go home either.
Well, we'll see what happens in 3 or 4 days. If I feel like going home or not. We'll see. Now I need sugar. A little bit of sugar. In my sugar bag.
Yawning.
Huh?
Kiva just yawned.
Yeah.
Are you tired, Kiva?
She was up a couple of times last night. One time to pee, so I let her out to pee, and she comes back when she's finished. And then once she just sat up, just sat there. I'm like, lay down. It's like 3 in the morning, girl. All right. So there's. I'll find the lid to it. There it is.
That's what it is, Doug.
What?
Boletus longicurvus.
Boletus longicurvus?
That's like the Latin name. That's that orange.
Long
one.
curve.
Yeah, exactly. It doesn't have a common name.
Well, I'm pretty impressed, man. I've never seen anybody do that, trial and error like that, and not get sick.
Well, it was all because of that book, man.
Yeah.
That
Just goes to show you, man, you can learn things from books.
Oh, yeah.
But you got to put it to practice. You don't learn nothing unless you put it to practice. There it is.
I got so much quality nature video on this trip too, dude. I'll have to show you some later.
What is it?
Some of the video I got and pictures I got are just fucking so quality.
Man, how was that fire? Killing me. There you go. All right. After the water boils, right in the cup. This is a Tervis 16-ounce mug. And I like it because it's insulated. It keeps things hot in cold weather. I've tried other insulated cups and always ended up cracking them. You pour boiling water into a cup that's 10 degrees and the plastic cracks after a while. This is the only cup I've found yet that I couldn't crack. And this one here is probably 10 years old, maybe? I don't know, something like that. Dinner time. We get these Johnsonville Italian sausages. Man, these things are good.
We get them all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Bob brought them the first time. Thanks, brother.
That's pretty good, huh?
Bob made it. He's got his Nebo shelter. Nebo!
Yeah, I got 2 of them.
Nebo! He's Bob's going John Wayne, man. He's John Wayne in it. Those things are good. What's the matter, Keith? Want some? She's telling me, nope. You better put that down.
That's a tough one there, buddy.
Dave's got his trusty dusty. What's that? Fiskars? Schrade. You've had that a long time, haven't you?
Not really. 5 years, 4 years.
5 years, 4 years?
Yeah.
That's a long time. That's been through some shit, huh?
Yeah.
Even a few rocks.
Dude, who would do that? Lucky I can't find them. But I got pictures.
All right, so a couple of guys have asked about this tent, right? So I figured I'd just throw it in on this video to show you guys. This is my newest acquisition for backpacking, camping, whatever, right? And since, even if I'm just camping, we generally have to walk to the campsite. It could be a half a mile, could be 2 miles, could be 3 miles, whatever, right? Very, very lightweight. It's called the Big Agnes Copper Spur Classic. They have another model of this that's even lighter, right? They call it the UL, ultralight, right? But I mean, you can make a kite out of this thing, all right? And it's got these quick clip things here that makes it real easy to set up and take down. You just pop them off. Got a center bar that spreads the top of the tarp, the tent fly, right? I already packed that away, but that's pretty much self-explanatory for this tent. You just throw it over and clip the sides down and then guy it out and you're done. All right. So, Big Agnes Copper Spur Classic. It's one of the lightest two-person tents on the market. And if it wasn't fairly tough, I wouldn't have kept it. You guys know I sent back that Tiger Wall 3 that I bought because it just wasn't tough enough. So I got this one instead and I'm pretty happy with it. It fits, Kiva and I fit in there, no problem. It's a little tight on the sides, but I usually go in cold weather and she's like a furnace, so I don't care if she's close. Oh, she likes that. I won't get that belly. Oh, I get that belly. Gonna get that belly. All right, Kiva, you ready to go home? Huh? You ready to go home? You go bye-byes? All right. Come here, babe. Come here. Ready to go bye-byes? All right, guys. The first trip of the season, now it's over. During this video, I did a lot of knife testing with that new kukri design, kukri-ish design. So we'll see how this video goes. And Dave, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Come here, Keith. All right. So we'll see you on the next one. See ya! Hey, no. Stay on the trail. Oh my.
That's a batch of honey there. Look how awesome these look.
Are they ready to eat?
Oh yeah, look at them.
Okay.
Absolutely perfect.
Dave found some honey mushrooms. He's been eating these out here. He actually has been eating all sorts of mushrooms out here.
This is the best specimen I found so far.
Increasing his knowledge of mushrooms. Good man. That's something you bring to the table.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yellow Hawk Customs Outdoors. Combat and wilderness grade custom knife and sheath systems. We've got the badass gear for the badass outdoorsman. Yellow Hawk.